Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your rear seat occupant alert in the newly redesigned 2022 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EXI-VT in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the rear seat occupant alert in the Forte is just a reminder for you to check your rear seats every time you turn off the vehicle and go to open the door. It will ping on here just to remind you to check your rear seats, just in case you've forgotten anything important back there. What we're gonna do is head into the instrument panel, and we're still gonna use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through. And we're gonna head over to the user settings. We're gonna go down into convenience, press OK, and you'll see rear occupant alert is the first option there. So if I hit OK to uncheck it, it will turn off that reminder for you to check your rear seats every time you leave the vehicle. So it's up to you if you want to keep it on or not. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.